Hello everyone, it's me again, Ahmed Radwan, and today we are going to continue our series PHP from scratch, and also we are going to continue with databases and MySQL or MySQL, and this is going to be part 2. So let's get started. Now, in the last time, in my previous tutorial, I have shown you how to create database and how to create a table in the database. Now I want to insert some values in this table. The table name is called info, and also always look at this line. We are in localhost with the name of the server, and under users database, and we are in info. Info is a table. Now I want to insert some values in this table here, so I click insert. Here, as you see, PHP My Admin is very nice tool, in fact, giving me a way to insert some values inside the table. Here I want to insert the ID. I can insert the ID, but I have to make sure that the ID is unique because it's a primary key, and I have to remember that if I inserted here 1, the second time it should be 2, and the third time should be 3, so it's somehow frustrated. Not good idea to remember every time what was the last ID, or to get the last ID first. So there is a way to get over that, to get around that, by going back to the structure here, and you go to the ID itself and go to edit. You can use this edit or this edit. In this time I'm going to use this one, edit, and here I can edit the schema or the structure of the table or this field. I want to do it auto increment. When I do it auto increment, I don't need to worry about the ID anymore. It will place new ID every time, incremental ID. So I will just select this one and make it auto increment, and I check save. Now it has been saved, and this is the command or the SQL statement that has been used to do that. Alter table info, change ID, not null, auto increment. This is how SQL did it. I go back to insert, and this time, because this one is auto increment, I don't need to give it a value at all. It will take a value by itself. So here I will insert some data. First name, for example, I will say Bob. Here I will say Smith, any name you want. Here the address is going to be 123 Gateway, and here I want to give it a birth date, sorry. So I click this icon here, and I give this Bob birth date, maybe 88/17. Okay, just click on it, and you will have the date from right to left. Remember, from right to left, day, month, year. Then I click go, and as you see here, I got green line, means one row inserted, and here it's showing me the statement that has been used to create this user. And if I click browse here, I will see here already I have one user, and here I got an ID. I did not place the ID, right? But because I said this is auto increment, it has been done for me, and the name, first, last name, and address, and so on. I want to insert another one, same thing, no need for ID. I will say this time the first name is Ali, for example, and last name is Muhammad, like that, and address is going to be 56 West Coast. anything you want. Again, give it a day. Oops, I don't want it to be 2011, so I can change it from here as well. I will make it 2000, 2000, and let's say click go, and I got green also, means everything is fine. And here is a statement, SQL statement that has been used to create this record. We click browse here, and as you see, I got the data. Now I want to show you something else. What now if I found out, oh my god, I forgot to place a field for the email. Oh, there's no email here. I need to collect the email of these people, so I forgot that. How to do that? Easy, don't worry, take it easy. Go to structure, again structure, and where you want to place this new field, you want to place it, I think it's suitable to be after the last name. So I will go here and I choose after last name. After last name, I can place it at the beginning or the end, wherever I want. Then I click go. Then here I will give the field a name, which is going to be email. And type, of course, cannot be integer, must be vaka. And the length, I'm expecting the email to be about 20 characters, maybe 25, whatever you like. The email address, should be fine. And is there anything else here to do? No, that's enough. Very nice until now. Then I click save here. Also, if I want to add more fields, I can go here, but here I will say save. As you can see, this is the command or the statement that has been used to edit the structure of the table. If I go browse here, I will find the email field has been added, but no email. So let's do it now. I want to edit both of these guys. I want to edit the email address of them, so I will just select and I go to this pencil here, or I can go one by one, but I want to do it at once, so I will go by using this pencil, and here I say whatever, assign whatever, and here whatever also assign anything .net this time. And here if I click go here, this one only going to be updated. Here go this one, so I have to go here, the go to update everything. Okay, and as you see, I got 2 affected rows here, and here because also I say show me the thing, it's also 2 affected rows for select. So 2 affected rows for update and 2 affected for select. That's nice until now. So what else I want to show you here? I want to show you now, this is, say you have a big table, many users. It's always a good idea to do a backup of your data. So if you lost the data, or your server got damaged, or got fire, or something happened, you always must have a backup of your databases. So in order to do that, you will go to export here, and you don't need to specify anything here. If you want to read more about that, okay, you can read it, but for me, I'm not gonna specify anything. I will just go down all the way, and here I want to choose this none, compression none. You can use zipped or gzipped to compress the file if the file is very big. If a very big file, you can zip it or gzip the file. But for me, I'm having only few records, so I will just choose none, and then I click go here, and now it's showing me this familiar download window, and I say okay, and it has been saved. This is actually from the last tutorial. I'm doing the tutorial twice, but if you see here, it's only one file, because I have to do the tutorial twice, one in Arabic and the other one in English. So now this is the file that has been created, the database file. You can open this file with Notepad, for example, and as you see, it's not binary data, it's just text data. You can read it, right? As you see here, you can read something in English or like that. If you have another editor, of course this Notepad editor is not nice. Also, I don't recommend using WordPad, okay, but here just I want to show you it's very nice format. As you can see here, create table if not exist, and also this is the structure of the table, and this is the data inside the table. It's only in all in plain English. So let's close it, and now I want to show you something else. Now I have a backup of my data, so I will go to browse here, and I am now where I'm localhost users, and I'm in the table info. Now I will drop the table. I don't care now. Okay, now the table has been dropped, it's no longer there, so only I have the database. Just simulating the situation that maybe you lost your database, you lost your tables, or you lost the database, but you have a backup. So go again, this time to if you try to go export, nothing to export. This is why you see the cross mark. Go to import, browse, and this is the file, and open and go. And as you see, we got green means good, and here is still not the table here. The info table is still not here, but if I refresh here, I got it. And as you see, I got Bob and Ali again, and everything works fine as before. Now I want to show you one more thing before we leave PHPMyAdmin. Now if I want to search, I go to search here. I'm searching for first name Bob, for example. I will say Bob, and just let it go, and as you see, I got the search result, and this is the statement that has been used in SQL to create this search. And now I think we have covered everything related to PHPMyAdmin, how to do many things using this tool. It's a very nice tool, and we are going to talk in next tutorial about how to use databases in PHP itself. We haven't used PHP, we haven't tried any single line of code until now, and that's what we are going to do next tutorial. So until that time, I say to you, thank you very much for watching my video, and have a nice day. Bye.